In the Torres family, since 2008, we decided climate change was a very serious challenge and that we had to do something. So we started to produce several steps. First of all, adapting to the new situation, looking for land at higher altitude, like here in the Pyrenees, in Catalonia, in the southern part of Chile, and recently we bought land in the Chilean Patagonia, more than 6,000 hectares, where we are going to plant trees. Well, second, we also took steps in order to mitigate the effects of climate change. For example, using photovoltaic panels to produce our own electricity, already 30% is produced today, the use of biomass, also the planting forests. We have done this in Catalonia, in Canary Island, and next year in Chile. And these trees, when growing, they will absorb carbon dioxide from the troposphere. Well, also, it's very new. We are next year we start with a new technology called CCR, carbon capture and reutilization. We're going to capture the CO2 from the fermentation. It's a natural CO2 that the vine before has absorbed by photosynthesis from the air. But now this is going to be recycled and transformed in methane that becomes a biogas. So we will be helping to reduce a little bit the effects of the greenhouse gases that cause the warming. And finally, we try to influence the others, like other wineries visiting us, we explain them, we change ideas, and also people. Through PowerPoint presentation, talks, we like to say to people that it is very serious, that we all have to do something, because it's affecting us today and it's going to affect us more in the future. Thank you very much.